The first reason why I will never, ever go back natural ever again is because I really enjoy wearing my hair straight. When I was natural, keeping my hair in a straight style was virtually impossible. Mind you, I did not have heat trained hair. I've never had heat trained hair, so I don't know how that would play into the part of it if my hair would have been heat trained. But my hair was not heat trained, and my hair would revert almost instantly. Like, I would do my hair and literally I would go out, I would come back home. It would look like I did not even flat iron my hair or do anything to my hair at all. I live in North Carolina, so we have a pretty moderate climate here. Currently today it's the beginning of October right now, so it's about 65 degrees today, and it doesn't really get cold here until like January. It'll be probably in the 50s November and December, and then beginning of January and beginning of February, that's when we start getting our 30-40 degree temperatures in the area that I live in. So, and we have humidity here as well. So even when I would flat iron my hair when it was cold outside, it still wouldn't last. I don't know if it was the heat from my body that would make my hair revert. I don't know what it was. I don't know. Any little slight bit of moisture in the air, my hair would just find it, suck it up, and poof up. I could not wear my hair straight at all. I remember one time I went to the mountains. It was in February. It was cold. Like, well, it wasn't really cold, but you know, it was colder. It was February. The air was drier because we're at higher elevation. My hair still poofed up. Like, you literally could not tell that I had literally just flat ironed my hair that morning. And because of that, that made me just want to be relaxed, because I like wearing my hair like this. I like being able to, as silly as it might sound, as small of a thing as it is, I really like to just be able to go outside and feel the wind literally just blow my hair. I love that feeling. And that's why I like wearing my hair like this. And I just like to be able to feel my hair on my shoulders, feel my hair on my back. I love that my hair is getting to the length where I can actually do that now and where it can actually swing. But yeah, I as simple as this sounds, I wear my hair straight. When I was natural, that was a problem. It would never last. When I am relaxed, my hair lasts straighter for a much longer period of time, and I really enjoy that. The second reason why I will never, ever go back to being natural ever again. Can y'all tell I just watched Friday? I just watched Friday, and y'all, I feel like I always had to have my hair in a style. Like, I felt like I could never just wake up and go, just get up and go. Like, my hair always had to be in a style. And because my hair always had to be in a style, or because I felt like my hair always had to be in a style, my hair was always under a lot of tension. And because of that, I suffered a lot of breakage. Now, most of my breakage primarily occurred like right here, like right around, I don't want to mess up my hair, I'm trying to show y'all, but my breakage occurred like primarily like right here along my edges. I've shared with you guys before where like I would have like long hair right here, and then my temples would be like bald or really short, and then like right here it would be long again. Yeah, that's pretty much how my hair stayed when I was natural, just because my hair around my hairline is really fine, and I constantly felt the need to have my hair in some sort of braided style, twisted style, slick down style of some sort, because I just really just didn't want to deal with my hair. I had very thick hair, and so it was very thick, it was very poofy, it was longer, so it was just a lot to deal with. And in order for it to look nice, or look in a way that I liked for my hair to look, I would always style it. My style of choice was 2 braids, or I would do slick back styles like buns and stuff like that. I would do like box braids and twists occasionally, but I really like the very sleek, slick back styles. And those styles with natural hair, or for my natural hair, I don't think really worked. And which is why I suffered a lot of breakage, which now I'm happy that I'm relaxed because I don't have to worry about styling my hair. I don't have to worry about sleeking it down. This is my style, okay? Wake up, comb, go. This is my style. And my hair has been thickening up in the process. I've been experiencing a lot less shedding as a result of not putting so much tension on my hair all the time, and my edges are a lot thicker when I'm relaxed than they are when I'm natural, just because they have a lot more time to breathe. I don't have to put so much product on them. I don't have so much tension that I'm forcing my hair into these styles. So being relaxed has been working for me, and I will never ever go back natural as a result of this. The third reason why I will never ever go back natural ever again is because it was just too much work and too much planning. And I know this is probably one of the things that a lot of you can resonate most with when it comes to our hair. And when I'm saying this, don't get me misconstrued when I'm saying it's too much work, as relaxed hair is not a lot of work, because relaxed hair for me has been a lot of work too. It has been a huge learning curve for me as far as learning products, learning hair techniques, styling techniques, everything. And even just the time and the amount of time I spend on wash day. Relaxed hair and hair in general can be a lot as well. But with my natural hair, I just found out that I had to do a lot more planning. For example, I would have to plan the nights that I was going to spend moisturizing and sealing my hair, plan the nights that I was going to have to retwist my hair, plan the nights that I was going to have to redo my roller set or redo my style, plan the nights that I was, just going to have to redo my style. Anytime I went somewhere, anytime I went on a trip, I would have to plan how I was going to do my hair for that trip, because I couldn't just do how I do now and just wash it and go, pretty much. Or not a wash, this ain't a wash and go. Y'all know what I mean? Like wash it and go throughout the week and not have to worry about restyling my hair or having to like put my hair away, if you will, because I don't want to have to worry about it and do it over the weekend. I don't have to do that when I'm going on a trip or if I'm preparing to go somewhere. I just literally take care of my hair and wash my hair before, and then I just go about my business, wrap my hair and go about my business. When I was natural, anytime I would go on a trip, I would have to take so much stuff with me. I'd have to take all these hair products. I'd have to take my moisturizing lotion. I'd have to take some oil. I'd have to take some gel. I'd have to take some edge control. I'd have to take my scarves. I'd have to take my bonnets. I would just have to take a lot of things. And on top of that, I would have to plan for the type of style that I was gonna do. Like if I was going to a place with water or something, like I would have to like figure out, okay, am I gonna have to do braids? And I have to spend a whole time period trying to braid my hair before the trip and all this type of stuff. Like it was just a lot. A lot of my time and energy was spent around my hair when I was natural and trying to figure out what I was gonna do to it and how I could get it suitable for me so that it would not be a burden for me for a period of time. And I know that probably sounds bad, and I know that that might not be the case for a lot of people where your hair is a burden to you, but for me, at the point in life where I was at and everything else that I have going on, I just really just wanted to just kind of automate things and really not have to have my hair be something that I had to think about. And that's why I love being relaxed, because my hair is automated. I don't have to think about it. I do the same process, the same routine, same style. And it's one less thing off my plate, one less thing that I have to think about, one less thing I have to worry about. And it just makes my life so much easier for me. When it comes to my hair, the biggest thing that I think about is what type of conditioner I'm gonna use that time, okay? And I have a line of conditioners that I love using, and I pretty much alternate between those conditioners based on whatever my hair needs. And if I don't know what my hair needs, I will just randomly pick the one that I want to use. And I don't have to worry and go into as much depth and energy as I did when I was natural. And I've been really enjoying that about being relaxed. So I thank you ladies so much for watching this video, and let me know, are you someone who is contemplating relaxing their hair? Have you ever relaxed your hair? Are you a natural girly? How do you feel about your hair in this current state? Is your natural hair working for you? Is your relaxed hair working for you? Let me know. I love to just get in touch with y'all and know what's going on with y'all and how y'all are really navigating your hair journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.